Good day, my beautiful people. What it do? What it do? It's your boy TTQ, and welcome to my kitchen. I mean, honestly speaking, it's mostly the same thing that inspired a lot of people and made people to be foodies. Food. The basic inspiration was my mom. She cooked awesomely. So she used to work the industry herself, and my father was in the industry as well. So waking up on Sundays was just beautiful. The smell was just. I looked forward to going to church because I knew coming back it was going to be a feast. So I think I was inspired by that, my mom's cooking. Having meeting a lot of people. I think being a chef exposed me to a lot of characters, be it good, bad, crazy, normal, PTSD, you name them. I've met all the characters, so it enabled me to be able to open this establishment because I get to interact with them. So now, be it someone is tipsy, they walk in, I still know how to handle them. Someone is pregnant, they walk in, I'm able to interact with them. So I think the biggest thing that I achieved by being in the industry is being able to interact with a lot of characters. Yes, sir. The biggest misconcept is a challenge that I get to face. But the reason I say it's a misconcept, I'll break it down for you. It's Mampara Week. So it's the biggest challenge because it's become such a norm to our people. So bad so that week people are scared to spend simply because they believe it's Mampara Week. So even though I don't go out to spend because it's about Usain Bolt on my piano song with so that misconception of Mampara Week is what is the biggest challenge. And then also just getting out there, man. You are open and sometimes you spend 2-3 days without a sale. You make 2-3 sales in that 2-3 days, and it's a challenge because you still have to maintain freshness. Every day you must cook fresh food. So if the money is not coming in, it's going out because you're losing stock that you cooked the day before, then it's a problem. I think it's a challenge, but it's workable, man. It's workable. We strive through it. And then after that, you will not believe this. My mom loves chili. So the story, I've told it before on another platform. At my house, we normally had this 2-liter cafetinas, one ice cream. My mom made salsa every week. So, but it was a family thing. She would buy the tomatoes, the onions, the chili, and the vinegar and whatnot. So she would send my little brother to go buy vinegar by the shop, and then she would buy the tomato and be like, you cut the tomato, the other one would be cutting the onion. So it was a joint thing, but the salsa was always in the fridge. So every meal we had growing up was always with chili. So and then now, coming into the industry, I saw a chef 2006 making their own chili, and I love chili, growing up with it. And then now I'd come and eat most nothing. The powder that they use, the chili powder, even though the other big retail stores, it doesn't sit right with me. The capsaicin level in it is chemically induced, so young coward, diarrhea fast. So I figured out if I can eat the chili sauces and the chili powder, young compromise, and the sauce is fine. I was like, how about I come up with my sauce that I can eat? Initially, it was never a business idea. It was initially, I need to make a sauce that I can consume myself. And then from then, 14 years later, I found the recipe and we are here now. You've got TTQ Pro sauce, the sauce up guy, as you would see. Chili is now part of me. Yes, sir. Chili. I mean, hands down. I mean, I think I just pulled this out and I think I gave away the answer. But I love all my chilies. Not equally. I'm not gonna lie. I feel like people would lie because it's a PR answer. Just because I'm on camera right now, I'm not gonna say I love them equally. I love chili more, but I consume them, and I'm still creating more. Just hint for everyone else that's out there. I'm still creating more sauces. Yes, sir. One would say, some would say, not me. You work your own hours. But honestly speaking, being an entrepreneur, my guy, you work 24 hours. So it's a lie. A lie. You don't work your own hours. Maybe after you make a couple millions or billions, then you can actually say I work my own hours. But when you start in the business, my guy, honestly speaking, you literally have to be on the job 24/7 because you knock off. For example, I knock off at about 6, 7 p.m. And then I get home, I still am working mentally because I'm thinking about tomorrow. I'm thinking, okay, tomorrow I have to wake up and go to X, Y, Z. I have to prepare this. I'm already waking, but I'm watching the news. And then by the time it's 11, only then I realize, oh, I didn't eat. Then I go and have my lunch, so to speak, because basically I was still on duty. So it's a lie, but eventually we'll get there. But yeah, that's a disadvantage/advantage. And then, but other than that, man, it's hard. So customers are working, but yeah, that's that. But it's hard, but it gets easier. Honestly speaking, when it started, it was harder because I remember sitting there with my woman and we didn't have an order at all. And then my friends would come through just to buy, and then some of them have been there since day one, which I appreciate them forever, Rona. And then, but yeah, it's always difficult just to come up. But now we're on the up. We're on the up and up. We're here now. Holla back.
After 12 years,
Let's just say people's favorite. People love the pork trotter. Juicy, tender, falls off the bone. Hashtag tenderism, if you will, if you know it. And then you find people that don't eat pork, so pork cow heel. It is their favorite, and then they go to the hot body chicken. But the ultimate mission means and then more people as well. Obafo basithandela isibindi sami basangikwadele ngoba ngashaya uphuthu mara ngiyawazi ukushaya khululeka nina uthi cetha impuphu nayo. But anyway, si-on ngizobenzela. But yeah, the quarter mission means is the biggest seller right now. People love it. I don't know if it's because my prices are sexy or it's because it's beautiful, but I know it's because it's beautiful. And then yeah, that's it. Okay, do you want the truth or do you want me to give you a clear answer? No, I've spoken about this in other platforms. The truth is, it's not the same. Don't do it. What people would want to hear is it's beautiful, it's amazing, you get paid well, the hours are nice. It's not nice. I've been in the industry for 20 plus years. So if you want someone to tell you the truth, it will be I. The industry is beautiful on its own. You enjoy, you cook, you eat, but you basically don't have a life, so to speak, my guy. I don't know, in the 20 years that I've been in the industry, I don't know how many funerals I've missed. I don't know how many parties I've missed, family gatherings I've missed. Hell, Valentine was just a couple of weeks ago. Dog, I don't know how many Valentines I missed because it's the busiest time for us. When it's a holiday, we get busy. So I've missed a lot of Valentines. I've missed a lot of weddings. Blah. Honestly speaking, I haven't been to a proper wedding where I was invited and I was dressed up on a Saturday out of chef's uniform. I really haven't. I've missed a lot of those from my primary, high school friends. Most of them are married and I missed that. So it's your life belongs to the industry, basically. I'm out of the hotel industry, but I'm still in the industry because I'm here. So basically, I'm not home, I'm at work. And then now when I get at home, I still have to think about work, but I still have to take care of my kids, take care of the fam, make sure that everything is sorted. But basically, if you want to come into the industry, just know it's going to overtake your life somehow. You have to be passionate about it. You have to give yourself to it. Basically, yeah. That's what's up. I'm on Facebook. I'm type of TTQ Timo. I'm on TikTok. I'm TTQ Pro _Pro. I'm on Instagram. It's TTQ _Pro. I'm on LinkedIn. It's Tepo Timung. I'm on. How did I forget? I called out Facebook. On Facebook, there's also my business group. So personally, it's Tepo TTQ Timu, and on my business group is TTQ Pro Trading Enterprise. And then now, recently, as of this past Friday, I'm on Uber Eats. Holla back, yeah. Just on Uber Eats, search for TTQ's Kitchen, and then you'll find us there. You'll see the logo there. You'll see the menu. Order with us. We're still on an 8-kilometer radius, but then yeah, we're there on Uber Eats as well. So we basically worldwide. That's what's up. Yeah.